Hi, today we're going to create agate marble nails. First step, you're going to apply a sheer nude to your nail. I have used LECENTE Agate and I've applied and cured one coat. I'm now going on with my gel brush. This is a G1 brush and I have white magic, so a white gel polish, and I'm doing these kind of ruggedy lines across the nail. To get this effect, you want to apply a bit of pressure and push the brushes into it, which is going to give you that kind of finer line on one side and then get that blended effect on the other side. These are randomly placed over the nail wherever you feel it looks good. There are no hard and fast rules to this. Once you have applied your first set of lines and you're happy with how they look, you're going to pop those in to cure. So then I'm going to go on with another coat of my Agate. So a sheer, make sure it's a sheer colour because you need to be able to see through, to see the lines underneath. And this is what is going to give the depth to your design. So apply that and then cure that in your gel lamp. I'm going to go on again with the gel brush and the white magic gel polish, and we're going to apply another set of lines. Once you're happy with the positioning of your lines, again pop in and cure. Now I've got some LECENTE iridescent flakes and I've just dipped my gel brush into there, and I'm going to pop some of the flakes along where my lines are. Again, this is totally random. You pop your flakes wherever you feel they look best. I like to do them along where the lines are because I feel like in a natural agate, the sort of crystallized bits would appear by the lines, but do whatever you feel looks good. Now going over with another coat of our sheer colour, which is Agate, and then we're going to pop that in and cure it. Make sure these are nice thin coats so you're not covering up the work you've done underneath. Okay, so that's all cured. I'm going on again, same thing again with my gel brush, is putting these coats and layers on, which is giving this design the depth. You can use your brush to manipulate this gel polish and put it in exactly the position you want. That's the great thing about using gels, because until it's cured, it is totally pliable and you can move it around. I'm just using my S1 brush here as a fine detailer brush, just to put some extra little lines in, like the cracks and fine lines that you would see naturally occurring in an agate. And then we're going to pop that in and cure before applying a few more of our flakes. And then to finish, I'm going to go on with a top coat, which is going to give this really glassy, shiny finish. Pop that into cure, and there you have your agate marble nail. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art tutorials coming very soon. Links to all the products used in this tutorial will be put below, so please feel free to take a look. You can use my code CLAIRE10 every time you shop LECENTE to save.